Where are you guys from?
你们哪裡的？
Where's the post office?
郵局在哪兒？
Which countries have you visited?
你去過哪些國家？
Isn't that grand?
那多雄偉！
The airport is over there.
飛機場在那邊。
There's a huge number of people there.
那裡人山人海。
You must go there at once.
你必須馬上去那兒。
I know those girls.
我認識那些女孩。
2 coffees with milk, please.
請來2杯奶咖。
The whole family was devastated by Grandma's death.
奶奶去世讓全家都受了打擊。
Nice guys finish last.
男不壞，女不愛。
I can't trust that boy when he's out of my sight.
我一看不見那個男孩就不放心。
Your boyfriend is really handsome.
你男朋友真帥。
What is that man saying?
男人在說什麼？
He is as smart as the other boys in the class.
他和班上其他男生一樣聰明。
The largest bedroom faces south.
最大的卧室朝南。
Because my room faces south, it is not so cold even in winter.
因為我的房間面向南邊，即使在冬天都不會那麼冷。
It is difficult to give up smoking.
戒菸很難。
Who's going to believe that?
誰會信呢？
I was able to help her.
我能幫助他。
How dare you?
你敢？
You guys are crazy.
你們瘋了吧？
Bob has been out of work for a year.
Bob 已經失業1年了。
Are you busy?
您忙嗎？
The milk has gone bad.
牛奶變質了。
The youngest daughter is especially beautiful.
末女長得特別漂亮。
I love my daughter.
我愛我的女兒。
Several young girls were sitting around looking bored.
有幾個女孩沒精打采地隨處坐着。
I'm waiting for my girlfriend.
我在等我的女朋友。
What is that woman saying?
女人在說什麼？
The girl I told you about lives here.
我跟你說過的那個女生住在這兒。
They gathered round the fireplace.
他們圍在壁爐旁邊。
The dog ran away.
這隻狗跑走了。
He's my friend.
他是我的朋友。
He bought a ticket to Paris.
他買了張去巴黎的票。
There are 7 continents on the earth.
地球上有7大洲。
The bird puffed up its feathers.
那鳥捧起了羽毛。
What time do you get up?
你幾點起床？
She was too weak to stand up.
她虛弱地站不起來。
What are you going to use this car for?
你要用這輛車幹嘛？
Wash your hands before each meal.
飯前洗手。
He pushed me ahead to speak first.
他把我推到前邊，讓我先發言。
She left for America the day before yesterday.
他前天去了美國。
Was there enough money?
錢夠嗎？
My wallet was stolen.
我的錢包被偷了。
Please keep this a secret.
請保密。
He just took a leave of absence.
他剛請假走了。
Please come in and make yourself at home.
請進，別客氣。
Excuse me, what are you doing?
請問你在做什麼？
Have a seat.
請坐。
It's against the rules to pick up the ball.
撿球是犯規的。
Do you want to go there?
你想去嗎？
His father died last year.
去年他的爸爸死。
Strike the iron while it's hot.
打鐵趁熱。
Don't make fun of people.
不要取笑人。
He's acquainted with the mayor.
他認識市長。
After talking to my teacher, I decided to work hard.
跟我的老師談過後，我決定認真努力。
One day apart seems like a separation of 3 years.
一日不見如隔三秋。
Have you chosen a date for your wedding?
你們選定結婚日期了嗎？
Cut the meat into thin slices.
把肉切成薄片。
He fired 3 shots.
他開了3槍。
This city lies at the base of a mountain.
這座城市位於山腳下。
Is there a shopping mall nearby?
附近是不是有一間購物商場？
The store is closed Mondays.
商店周一關門。
I got on the wrong bus.
我上錯車了。
What time are you going to work tomorrow?
你明天幾點上班？
Is the ice thick enough to skate on?
這冰的厚度能經得住在上邊滑冰嗎？
He helped the lady into the car.
他幫助這位女士上車。
How did you do on your last exam?
你上次考試考得怎樣？
What time does class start for you tomorrow?
你明天幾點上課？
He is always surfing the internet.
他總是上網。
It rained hard yesterday morning.
昨天上午下大雨。
He didn't go to school today.
他今天没上学。
We seldom go out.
我們絕少外出。
Who's that?
那是誰？
I don't have any money on me.
我身上沒有錢。
My father is in good health.
我父親身體很健康。
What are you doing?
你做什麼？
My sister is ill and in urgent need of money.
妹妹生病，急需用錢。
It makes me so angry.
這讓我很生氣。
I received a birthday present.
我收到了生日禮物。
This shirt costs $10.
這襯衫要10元。
Now would be a good time.
現在正是好時候。
I don't have much time.
我時間不多。
Don't talk about such things.
別談這種事。
I have to take the test again.
我必須再考一次試。
This is a horse.
這是馬。
I wonder if this is love.
我不知道這是不是愛。
He held her hand firmly.
他緊握她的手。
Do you have a cell phone?
你有沒有手機？
The book has been published.
書4出版。
Why do children have to carry such heavy school bags?
為什麼小朋友得背這麼重的書包呢？
There is a bookstore in front of my house.
我家前面有一間書店。
The taller the tree, the more likely it is to be struck by lightning.
樹高遭雷擊。
Bring me a bucket of water.
給我一桶水。
Please help yourself to the fruit.
請隨意吃水果。
I didn't sleep a wink last night.
我昨晚沒睡。
I would like to go to sleep now.
我想要現在睡覺。
I cannot say.
我不能說。
Speak up.
說話大聲一點。
I will wait until 4 o'clock.
我將等到4點鐘。
I went to the airport to see him off.
我去飛機場為他送行了。
I'm 3 years younger than you.
我比你小3歲。
Is he busy?
他忙嗎？
They didn't listen.
他們沒聽。
She trusts him.
他相信他。
They bought a box of cookies.
他們買了一盒餅乾。
That's too bad.
太糟糕了。
The days are getting warmer and warmer.
天日渐回暖。
What good weather we're having.
天气多好啊。
I like listening to the radio.
我喜歡聽廣播。
I think I heard someone screaming.
我想我聽到有人叫喚。
I seldom hear him speak Chinese.
我很少聽見他講漢語。
The teacher is dictating to the class.
教師正在給班上的學生做聽寫。
He got the better of his classmates.
他勝過他班中的同學。
The library is on the second floor.
圖書館在2樓。
The heat outside is unbearable.
外面的高溫真讓人難以忍受。
Don't keep her waiting outside in the rain.
別讓她在外邊雨中等着。
It must be very expensive to go abroad.
到外國一定很貴。
I am learning 2 foreign languages.
我學2種外語。
Let's play hide and seek.
咱們玩捉迷藏吧。
I'm used to staying up late.
我習慣晚睡。
Dinner is on me.
晚飯我請客。
It's quiet here at night.
這裡晚上很靜。
I sell clothes on the internet.
我在網上賣衣服。
Please give that like button a boot before you go, and I'll see you in our next video. Bye for now.